Thank you for taking the time na panoorin ang video na ito. Ipapaliwanag ng video explainer na ito kung ano yung services and product ng economy. So, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Hello, Economy Philippines!
And this is a vehicle that can help you change your life.
This is going to be a remarkable day for everyone because your lives will be changing today! Let's go!
And it was all about a long-term vision. We all had the same mindset that we wanted to create a legacy company.
There's no secret. The economy itself is the secret.
Success does not happen overnight. It happens night after night.
It was about people who needed this type of an opportunity.
I see the lives change. With this kind of information, with economy, I can impact more lives. And now we're impacting 10,000 families here in the Philippines.
Philippines has the potential to really become one of the largest markets in economy, but not just in economy, but in the whole direct sales industry.
This is the biggest event so far. Guess what? We're having the biggest one next as well.
I want you guys to take something home today that you can learn and really use for the rest of your life.
We saw the vision. We knew that we will make it big here in the Philippines. And we just strived hard and look at us now. This is the place to be if I want to grow. Today is the biggest event we have in e-economy's history, and that is happening here in SMX in Philippines.
If you want great results in your life, you're going to have to make significant sacrifices. But it's for a period of time, not forever.
Finally, I can give back to my parents. Hindi ako nahihiya i-share yung opportunity with the economy kasi it changed my life.
If you start, don't ever stop.
I wanted to be in that environment. I wanted to expand my mindset. That's what I stayed focused on. I stayed learning. I was very coachable.
The future is something that you can see, and you have to plan it in your mind that I deserve better.
So yung video clip na napanood mo just before this is a video clip ng grand launch dito sa Philippines ng economy. So kakabukas lang natin noong May 25, 2024. So with that, ano ba yung economy? Economy basically is a learning platform. Isang learning platform siya na kung saan nag-o-offer siya ng videos, ng tutorials on how to do trading. Ang kagandahan niyan dito, lahat online. Naka-base ang company sa Los Angeles, California. Si Hassan Mahmoud ay isang founder and CEO of the company. Isa siyang financial expert na nagta-travel na sa iba't ibang bansa to teach the power of passive income. And as you can see, na-feature na rin siya sa iba't ibang social media and media platforms about finances. And that's because of our technology dito sa economy. So ano ba yung Forex? Maaring madalas mo na siya naririnig kung marami ka na nakita sa TikTok, sa YouTube, or sa Instagram and Facebook about Forex pero hindi mo pa siya naiintindihan. Ang Forex basically is a combination of two words, foreign exchange. Pero para mas maintindihan mo pa kung ano ang Forex, bibigyan kita ng simple scenario. Let's say, nagaling ka sa Philippines at pupunta ka ng US. May dadalawin kang kaibigan. Of course, hindi mo magagamit yung peso na dala mo dito papuntang US. Kailangan mo siyang papalitan. Currently, ang palitan natin is 58 pesos to $1. O sakasakaling meron kang dalang 58,000 pesos, mapapapalitan mo siya sa US ng $1,000. So let's say, na pagdating mo sa US ay hindi ka nakagastos dahil yung dinalaw mo ron ang gumastos para sa'yo. So pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas, dala mo pa rin yung $1,000 mo. Then again, hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin kasi peso ang ginagamit dito sa Pilipinas. Let's say pagbalik mo, ang naging palitan is $1 to 60 pesos. So technically, yung $1,000 mo ay magiging 60,000 pesos. But remember, ang 60,000 mo ngayon is 58,000 pesos before. So magkano tinubo ng pera mo? It's 2,000 pesos. In a nutshell, ganun gumagana ang foreign exchange or Forex. Ang difference lang, pwede tayong mag-trade gamit ang cellphone natin. 24 hours operational din siya, 5 days a week. Sobrang laking industry din niya kasi $6.7 trillion industry siya. Of course, ginagamit din siya ng government, banking institutions, and insurance companies para palaguin ang pera nila. So kung legit at legit lang ang pag-uusapan, 100% legit ang Forex. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ng products and services na ina-offer ng economy. Ang products and services ng economy ay nahahati sa tatlo. Number 1, manual trading. Number 2, copy trading. And number 3, bot trading. Sa manual trading, diyan papasok ang product na tinatawag nilang ECA or Economy Calibrate Academy. Dito sa ECA, lahat ng video training na kailangan mong malaman para sa pagtitrade mo sa Forex, sa crypto, or sa stocks ay makikita mo rito. Unlike sa YouTube na ang information ay all over the place, this one is more organized. Lahat ng fundamentals, from basic to advanced, makikita mo dito. Of course, ang mga nagtuturo din dito ay experienced traders. Merong live weekly webinars for Q&A, live trading sessions, and of course, master classes. Sa copy trading category naman, dyan papasok yung product na Solex. Solex, ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng trade signals from expert traders na merong 10 to 12 years experience sa pagtitrade. Yung mga traders na ito, yung signals na binibigay nila sa atin, ay signals din na ginagamit nila to trade on their own. Ang gagawin na lang natin is to copy their trade. Dito na rin papasok ang community na meron tayo dito sa economy. There's a lot of people right now na natututo na dito sa economy, not only through the courses na ino-offer ng economy, but also through the people around it. The next product na meron tayo sa copy trading category is Manara FX. Yung Manara FX is actually one of the favorite products ng lahat ng pumapasok dito. Kasi isa siyang AI na nag-i-scan ng mga harmonic patterns. If you will search online kung ano yung harmonic patterns, ang harmonic patterns has 70% chance of winning pagdating sa Forex. At ang ginagawa ng Manara FX is ini-scan niya na automatically ang market para sa'yo for all the best possible pairs at isi-send niya yung signals sa'yo. You can even set it up na kung anong pair ang gusto mo makita at kung anong time frame. Makikita mo, nandito yung example ng isang signal na binigay ng Manara. Ikakopy mo na lang siya sa MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Diyan natin ginagawa lahat ng pagtitrade natin sa Forex. The last category na meron tayo is yung bot trading. So meron tayong tatlong products dyan. Athena, Senai, and Achilles. Lahat ng tatlong ito will automatically scan the market and does the trading for you. Si-setup mo lang siya for around 3 to 5 minutes. Though kailangan mo ng at least $1,000 minimum amount sa trading account mo, pero kagandahan dito, the bot will not take out any money from your account. Your money will be your money, your profits will be your profits. Ang gagawin lang ng AI natin is siya yung magte-trade para sa'yo. Maghahanap siya ng best possible signals or best possible pairs, and then it will automatically do the trade for you. Plus, meron tong analysts and managers. So for example, magkaroon ng problema sa market, magkaroon ng war, magkaroon ng recession sa isang country na pinili mong i-trade, the analyst and the managers will help you out pagdating sa iyong funds. Again, your money will be your money. Your profits will be your profits. Yung economy, walang kukunin pera sa mga trading profits mo. So you might be asking, paano ba ako magsisimula sa economy? Let me tell you how. Sa economy, it is basically a subscription business. Merong first month fee and then merong monthly fee. The first package na pwede mong piliin is yung Elite Pack. Meron siyang ECA, which is yung Manual Trading Academy. Meron siyang Solex, which is yung mga expert traders na magbibigay sa'yo ng signals that you can trade. Meron din siyang Manara FX, which is yung AI scanner na mag-i-scan ng market for harmonic patterns. And then again, isi-send sa'yo yung signal para i-trade mo. And then meron din siyang CoinZoom. Basically, it is a credit card or a card na pwede mong gamitin for your crypto transactions. Lahat ng ito nandito sa Elite Pack. So how much is it? Elite Pack for the first month is $149. But the succeeding months, kung gusto mong tumuloy pa, $99 na lang siya. The next package that we have is Elite Pro Pack. Ang first month nito is $235. The following months will just be $149. Lahat ng products na nasa Elite Pack ay nandito Ang dinagdag natin is lahat naman ng products for AI. Isa sa mga add-ons natin yung Plutos, it's just $50 a month. Pero maganda kasi dito sa Plutos, it is a sniper strategy pagdating sa Forex or pagdating sa pagtitrade. So merong trade expert dito na tumitingin ng mga trade options natin, pero on a sniper way or specific lang ang pagtitrade niya. Sobrang dami nang nakagamit nito at maganda mga feedback nila. Kasama na dyan ang RFX, which is for binary options, and then Defiverse, which is for crypto. And one of the things that we are excited about is actually our latest package na kaka-release lang sa market. We call it the Gold Pack. It's $499 first month, but lahat ng package or lahat ng product na na-discuss natin ngayon, kasama na siya. So talk about sulit sa add-ons and sulit sa products, the best ang Gold Pack. So again, subscription-based to. But that doesn't mean na hindi mo pwedeng i-cancel. In case na hindi mo gustong i-continue o gusto mo mag-discontinue sa services, walang problema. What's important is, natuto ka na mag-trade. Pero kung nakita mo na profitable ka na because of the signals na binibigyan ng economy and you wanted to learn more about Forex, crypto, or stocks, why not continue? Kung first-time trader ka, baguhan ka pa lang sa Forex, or sa trading itself, I would suggest you go with Elite Pack and then you work your way up. Now, if you want to participate in this organization, this community na meron kami, there are two ways on how you can participate. Number one, you can be a customer. When you're a customer, you use the products itself, the community itself, the signals itself, and then you earn from the trading. The good news about this, for example lang, gusto mo, yung monthly fee mo is libre na, all you have to do is to take advantage of our program that we call 3 and Free. Ang gagawin mo lang is magre-refer ka lang ng 3 friends mo that will enroll to economy, and then your monthly fee will be free. So that's for the customer side. In case naman na gusto mo maging affiliate din ng economy, you want to do the business as well as the learning, may another video for this and na pwede mong panoorin. You just have to go there. If you want to be a customer, no problem. We'll be happy to assist you. So from this point on, kung na-pick namin yung interest mo, kung sakasakaling gusto mo matutong mag-trade, o kung sakasakaling gusto mo gumamit ng products and services ng economy, just go back to the link na pinanggalingan na itong video na ito. Hanapin mo dun yung enroll here. You will see a step-by-step process on how to enroll as a customer. We're excited to help you out. Until then.